Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create email campaign or set up email marketing on your Shopify stores. Yes, you must need an email campaign to manage your audiences or manage your actually some deals that cause you some beneficial perks on your Shopify. So you could be beneficial with that session. So for example, there could be a deal from another company or another commercial business, so you can collaborate with them, or you can actually promote your sales or products among your audiences that can actually make or convert into customers that can actually make sales on your Shopify store. So that's pretty much important to have an email campaign or create or set up an email campaign, or you have set up email marketing on your Shopify stores. So first, there you have to install an app to create an email campaign. So that is actually email. You can search for email, and here it is. So this is actually Shopify email. That is actually Shopify's um, original app, or that is associated with Shopify. So you can simply click on create campaign, so you can create a campaign here, or otherwise it has just added here. So you can see we have just added. So here is the email where we can follow the 6 steps, or we have to complete the 6 tasks to completely set up an email campaign here. So here is the templates that you can use to create your email with that amazing templates. Or in this settings section you can find the monthly email users. So here you can count the total email sent, so how much email you have sent, the automated emails, marketing emails, and the total cost that you have generated as revenue from this email marketing. So here is the template branding. You can see you can customize your template from here. So I'm going to customize a custom email template, so where we can actually add some logo here. So we can simply click on select logo. Now we are going to add the logo, so we have to find it. So from here you can simply select an image. So I'm going to select that logo from here. So it could be it is uploading the logo. So we are going to get help from ChatGPT and this email subject line tester, that is Omnisend. So that will help us to generate a perfect email subject line. So first, before we are going to customize our email here. So here is the store name that actually generated from my store automatically. Now here is the typography that's look cool or not bad here, or also that is actually generated from my store. So I make it remain like this, and you find different types of text font style you can use from here. You can find Times New Roman also. Now here is the color. So here is the body color that you can set. I'm going to set up a black and white section body color here, so it could be a good choice here. So like I'm going to add text. Let's see how it's look like text is white, button and links is also what is the button, the black or white, just like this, and the background is white, and the background is also white. And here is the sorry, I have just created all of this like black here, so that's going to be a bad thing. So I'm going to add it black here. So here it is, it look like this. And the background here we are going to add a white, off-white color here, just like this. Yes, like gray color here. Yes, like this. And the border here, we are going to add it like black. And here is the footer section where we can add some texture, or black, not black, actually white. And the links is also white, and the background is also black here. So here we are going to add some text, the button text actually. So text is going to be, so text, the button, actually the button color here. So background, we are going to add the button color here, the buttons, and the colors here we are going to add it like gray color, so just like this. So it's pretty cool with my actually it's follow my web store, my websites template with color color combinations. Now here is the store information where you can add some store information, and that's enough for me right now. So we're going to save the template from here. Also you can find different types of template that actually you can use, so we are going to exit from that section here. Now here is the sender email. So you can see this is actually a personal email of mine, so that could be a reason that your email will list it in the recipient's spam folder, because if you send emails continuously automatically in a bulk amount to the recipient's inbox, then and you use your personal mail, then Gmail or Google actually pin you or detect you as spam, so they can actually put your all the mail in the spam folder. So if it go to the spam folder, then the recipients won't get notice from that or notification from that, or they won't notice your promotion. So you can use a business mail, so I highly recommend you to purchase a business mail. So you can use a business mail. So business mail is actually made for that promotional email. So if you have send more in a bulk amount of emails at one time, so it actually won't get listed as spam. You can get it in your all of the recipients inbox, so they can get noticed about that promotions from your website. So make sure that you have used a business mail here. Now here is double opt-in, where you can get explicit consent from customers to send them email and SMS marketing here. Now here is open tracking. There you can find different types of tracking features like optimize open tracking. You can choose this option to balance tracking email open rates with maintaining your sender reputations. Now ask for consent. Then by default, email opens will not be tracked. Subscriber will be able to opt into tracking through the footer of your emails. You open rate will be reported based on subscribers who opt in combined with overall engagement. And if you don't want to track it, so you can select it, or here is tracks all emails open. So see how many subscriber opens your emails. This will provide the most accurate reporting into open behaviors. So you can select this, and I'm going to select it. And also I prefer you to select between these two options here. So optimize open tracking, so that's actually cool. So the first one, and here is all of the pretty all thing that you can select to in the settings here. Now here is the templates where you can create some templates. You can simply click on create template. So here you can find your all of the templates that actually looks pretty cool that you can use to as a promotional. So you can go with anyone, or you don't want to customize, then you can go with this customize. You can go with your own email source. So here is your template. You can create your template here. So here is mine template. So from here we can actually border, we can use the gray color here, or like this, sorry for that, it could be black, and the content background is gonna be this color here, like this, or we actually gonna give that here. So that's enough. So if there's many people do a simple mistake that they have added a bunch of image together. They actually use more image as they can. So there's the problem, there's the issue that if you add more and more image, then more than the text, then Google will actually recognize you as a spammer. So you can get banned, or your mail will get listed in spam section. So I prefer you to add a text section here. So I'm going to add a text section here. So this is the text section here. So we are going to add some text here. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT here. We are going to get the help of the ChatGPT so that I have just added this prompt here. So we are going to send it. Now let's see how it give us the result. So here is the subject line. So we are going to test the subject line. So let's see how it's look like. So for test the subject line, we are going to use this omniscient. So we're going to paste this subject line here. Now test now. So it's not better enough, like 75%. So we will ask ChatGPT to make it more. So make the subject line more interesting and engageable. So here it is just give me some subject line here that we can actually use. So we are going to select the first one. Let's see how it give us a score here. So like this, I'm going to add it. Test now. 83%. Yes, not bad. We are going to test another one. Let's see which one give us the best score here. So test now. 83 again. Like this, we're going to add something. It's also 83%. So we are going to add another one. I prefer you get it up to 90% here. Copy and paste. 83%. So I asked for more interesting that it can get 90 plus score. So high scoring subject wise, so here is, so copy and let's see. So all 83%. So 83% is good actually, so not bad. So you can get you can test each and everything from here. 75%. So let's see where we paste it. 83%. The maximum is 83%. What's going on this application here? So you can go with this. So 83% I think is pretty much good here. So almost perfect. There's just one thing you might want to change. See below for the suggestion to how to make your subject line more impactful. These actually characters and the word count. So wording, scannability, here is the capitalization style. So you just need to use subject line doesn't seem to be written in sentence case. Subject lines written in sentence case perform best. Consider using capital letter at the beginning and for proper nouns and lowercase letters here. So we are going to customize it a little more here. So you warning about to miss off and ears off. Let me see. Test now. Let's see how it gives us. So all of thing is subject records more than 6 words. Your entire subject line may not thin. You recommend you to aim for 4 or 6 words. So actually there's 9 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. So we have to use 4 or 5. So that's how you can actually get recommended from here, and you can use that also. So there is no negative word actually, and so follow these 3 things here so you can get it. So make it like, I'm going to go with this, make it like make it in characters. Turn off. So we are going to use this email here, test now. Here we got it. Boom, 92% score, and this could be, but there is actually helpful word missing. So your subject line doesn't contain any helpful word. People are more likely to open emails when they see actionable, eye-catching for. So you can get a list here on sale or find today only on sale. So you can get on sale, copy. So we are going to add on sale here, V, and we are going to add it. Test now. Let's see. It's good, but the word is got lock and loaded. So let's see. One characters, just like this. On sale. Now how it's look like, 92%, and we are going with this one actually. So copy, you can just paste it here, and for example we are going to copy the email first. So where is the email? Here it is. So we are going to copy that email here, so like this, the subject line here. So we are going to paste it. Pew. So just like this, we are actually adding it at the alignment, this alignment here, subject line here, and here is the header. Where is the header actually? So here is the header. So we are going to delete that actually. So here it is. Now the body, here is the body text. So I'm going to click at the body text here, or the header here, from header, and the subject line here, or we are going to delete the subject line. Here it is. So and I'm going to use that subject line. Sorry for that. We are going to use that subject line here, and here all that thing is hey there. We are going to use the name hi there. That, so your store name is, now here is the store name. Shop the sale now, and we're going to add the store name here, like Giga Shot. Now here is the text color. We are going to add text color in black color here, and yes, the black color. Select all, and I'm going to use it in black color here. So text color here. Oh, sorry for that. Here is the black color. So that's how we can just add it. So it's pretty cool. Now you can add section, and you can add some buttons here. You can add buttons here. You can add images. You can add some images here. So you can add, I'm going to add image here. So not this, actually I'm going to add this. Select image. So I'm going to add the image here. And another one if we want so we are going to add an image, another one image here. So load more, and like load more, not this. We're going to add pretty much same thing here, just like this. So we have added another image here, and we are going to add a button here. So like here's the button. So we are going to add the product link here, all products, and we are going to change the text just like this, black color, and we are going to name that button here, and here it is. So we are going to shop now. And also we are going to add some discounts here, and here is the special offer. So special offer, discount value, you can add that. So that's how you can just customize your email address, and it's up to you how you can add this. Now you can simply tap on this done button, or you can send test button here. So you can send it for a test. So we are going to get a test email. So let's see how it look like. So let's see if its email has, not this actually. So it could be on the spam actually. So let's see. No, not that actually. So after a moment you can find that update here. So that's how you can just customize it. You can simply click on done button here, and you will get that here. So you can send a test mail here, test, and you can add it, like I'm going to add it. And enter, and you can send it. So that's how you can send that email, and that's pretty much all thing how you can add an email marketing on your Shopify store. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.